Mohini was going to her nanny's house. Her train was at 6:30 p.m. So she reached the station to board the train. There, she noticed that the train has arrived at the platform, but the clock of station was showing 18:30 hours. She got confused. She knew that in clock the hours are shown at 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 12. So she could not understand what was 18:30 hours. So children, in today's video we are going to understand the difference between 12-hour and 24-hour clock, concept of AM PM and the conversion from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock and 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. So let's begin. Hello children. We all know that there are 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. Now, we will talk about the concept of AM and PM. Sometimes you have seen that the time is written as 2 AM or somewhere it is written as 2 PM. So what is the difference between AM and PM? Children, from midnight 12 o'clock till midday 12 noon, it is written as AM in 12 hours clock, and from midday 12 noon to midnight 11:59 PM, it is written as PM in 12-hour clock. From midnight 12 till midday 12, the time is written as AM in 12-hour clock, and from midday 12 till midnight 12, the time is written as PM in 12-hour clock. That means when we say 12:24 AM, technically it is a morning time, but it appears at night. 12:24 AM means morning. 12:24 PM means afternoon, which appears at daytime. If it is said 2:20 AM, this is a morning time. Technically this is a morning time, but it appears at night. And if it is said 2:20 PM, this is an afternoon time that appears at daytime. If it is said 6 AM, that means this is a morning time. And if it is said 6 PM, that means it is an afternoon time, which is evening. And now we will learn about 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. What is the difference between 24 hours clock and 12 hours clock? As Mohini saw that the railway station clock was showing the time 18:30 hours. What does it mean? Children, this is a different type of clock. This is called 24 hours clock. Children, we know when a clock runs, it takes 2 rounds to complete 24 hours. Children, in normal 12-hour clocks, it starts from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and it comes at 12 noon. Then again it resets at 12 noon and again it shows 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM and so on. But in 24 hours clock, it starts at 00 hours and then 100 hours, 200 hours, 300 hours, 400 hours till 12 it is same. And it does not reset at 12. It continues to 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours and so on till 24. Means 12 midnight, it is like 24. It resets at 24, means after 23, 59 hours, it resets at 00. This is the main difference between 24 hours clock and 12 hours clock. 12 hours clock resets at 12 midnight, but The 24 hours clock resets at 00 midnight or 12 midnight. Okay, so now if it is said that clock is showing 3 a.m., that means 3:00 hours in 24 hours clock. Clock is showing 8 a.m., it will be read at 08:00 hours in 24 hours clock. It means that 12 midday, that both the times are same. Here is also 1, here is also 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11. But from midday 12, the 12-hour clock resets, and midday it resets. After 12 it shows 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. and so on. But in 24-hour clock it does not reset here. It shows after 12 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours and so on. Mohini was seeing in the clock 18:30 hours, that means it is 6:30. When Mohini was seeing hours, that means it is 24-hour clock. How do we know that it is a 24-hour clock? Because this digit is more than 12. We know that 24-hour clock does not reset at 12 midday. It does not reset. That is why it is more than 12. That means it is coming to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Which is 12. After 12 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in 12-hour clock. That means when Mohini was seeing 18 hours, that means it is 6 hours and 30 minutes. That means the time was 6:30 p.m. Understood, children? Once again I am repeating. If it is written 17:15 hours, it means this is a 24-hour clock. How do we know that it is a 24-hour clock? Because this digit, minute digit, is same in both the clocks, in 24-hour and 12-hour. But hour digit changes. How do we know that it is a 24-hour clock? Because this is more than 12. It is greater than 17 is greater than 12. Why? Because after 12 midday the 24-hour clock does not reset and it goes on like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 hours, 18 hours, 19 hours, 20 hours, 21 hours and so on till 24. It shows the complete 24 hours in a single circle. Okay, so this is 17 is coming here. So that is 17. And if we say 12-hour clock, after 12 it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So this is 5 p.m. The time is 5:15 p.m. So children, when it is 13 hours in 24-hour clock, it is 1 p.m. When it is 14 hour in 24-hour clock, it is 2 p.m. When it is 15 in 24-hour clock, it is 3 p.m. When it is 16 hours in 24-hour clock, it is 4, and so on till 00 midnight till 12 midday. The digits, hour digits are same and minute digits are usually same. Okay, now we will talk about the conversion part. We can say the first circle of 12 hours is the same in both the clocks, and the second circle of 12 hours is different in hour part. From midnight till midday, both the timings are same, and from midday to till midnight, 24-hour clock will continue the counting 13, 14, 15, 16, so on. But 12-hour clock will reset here and will start will restart from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 midnight. Now we will learn about conversion. Children, conversion of 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. We know that 12 midnight till 12 mid-noon, there are no changes in both the clocks. If it is written 1 hour, that means it is 1 a.m. morning. When we see 1 hours, it is 1 a.m. in 12-hour clock. Why we are not changing here? Because this digit is lesser than 12. That means it is not resetting. It means it is morning time or am time. So it will 1 a.m. Now here 3:15 will become 3:15 a.m. 8:15 again 8. Don't see the minute part, see only hour part. 8 is again lesser than 12. It is as it is in both the clock. Mean till 12 both the clocks will be same. This is 24 hours. This is 12-hour clocks. Now comes 13:00 hours. That means it is more than 12. So how will we convert 13 hours into 12-hour clock? So simply one formula we will continue. We will subtract 12 from this hour portion. 13 minus 12 will do. What comes? It comes 1. That means this is 1 p.m. Okay. Now it comes 17:15 hours. How will be converted? So we'll see this portion only. We'll subtract 17 minus 12. It comes 5. This is 5:15 p.m. Now comes 20 hours. How will we convert it? We will subtract 12 from 20. What comes? It comes 8. Don't convert here, only convert our portion. It comes 8. That will become 8:20 p.m. Now we'll talk conversion of 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. As we know, the 12-hour clock resets at 12 noon. So till 12 noon all are AMs, and after 12 noon it will PM. It will become PM. But 24-hour clock will not reset at 12. So it will keep continuing the counting. After 12 it will continue 13, 14, 15 and so on. So AM portion will be the same. So this is 3 AM. We can write 3:00 hours. It will be read as 3:00 hours. 6 AM will be read at 6:00 hours. 9 AM will be read as 9:00 hours. Now comes PM part. What will we do to convert it into 24-hour clock? Simply here we have subtracted. Here we will add 12. So 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So we can write 15:00 hours. 5:18 will add in this portion, our portion, we'll add 12. It will coming it is coming 17. The time will be 18 hours. Here also we'll add 10 plus 12, it will become 22. So it is 30 hours. I hope you understand both the concepts. Children, we know that 12-hour clock will reset here at midday 12 and 24-hour clock will reset here at midday 12. So at 12-hour clock, at this region, conversion formula of adding 12 or subtracting 12 will not work. How will we convert 1 p.m. to 12:59 p.m. in 24-hour clock? We know here our 12-hour clock will reset here. So what will we do? So if it is written 12:01 p.m. it will become 12:01 hours in 24-hour clock. Here addition of 12 digit will not work. Similarly, in 24-hour clock at 00 hours that will not work. So this is 12:15 p.m. it will become 12:15 hours in 24-hour clock. Okay, till 12:59 it will become 12:59 hours. And as it becomes 1 p.m. we will add 12 more. Then it will become 13 hours. I hope you understand.